Hello and welcome. In this video, we're looking at consonants as an aspect of English phonology. Now, please remember that consonants as letters differ from consonants as sounds, because in English language we have 21 consonant letters, while in English phonology we have 24 consonant sounds. And these sounds are further divided into different groups based on the way they are pronounced. Now, what are consonants basically as a sound? Now, consonants represent speech sounds which are produced by completely or partly stopping the air being breathed out through the mouth. So again, consonants represent speech sounds which are produced by completely or partly stopping the air being breathed out through the mouth. So that is the way we actually understand how consonant sounds are made of. Now, these consonant sounds are grouped into 5 different types. Now, these groupings include number 1, the plosives, number 2, affricatives, number 3, fricatives, number 4, nasals, and finally number 5, approximants. Now, also remember that apart from these groupings, consonants are also basically categorized into voiced and voiceless. Now, what does this mean? It means that the consonant is pronounced when they appear in a word. That is for the case of voiced consonant. While they are not pronounced in some words, that's for the case of voiceless sound. Voiceless consonant, I beg your pardon. So please understand that the way a consonant is used will determine whether it will be voiced or it would be voiceless. Now we go back to the groupings of consonants. Number 1, the plosives. The plosives include consonant sounds such as p, b, t, d, k, and g. Now please remember, these are individual consonant sounds, and so we're going to look at each one and words that have them in them. So we start with the p. So the sound p occurs in the word put, pale, appear, deep. Now note also that the consonant sounds can appear at any part of a word. It could be at the beginning, in the middle, or at the end. So please understand, and that does not change their sound. So from the earlier example you were given, put starts with p, while in appear, the p sound comes in the middle, while in the case of deep, p actually comes at the end. And the next is bo. The sound bo appears in words such as beat, boast, labor. Again, beat, boast, labor. The next is t. T appears in words such as teach, take, turn, latter, and patient. Now note that the sound appears in different parts of these words that you have been given. So please remember, like I said earlier, the sounds are not limited to just the beginning or the middle or the ends of these words. The next sound is the sound d. This sound appears in the word dog, deed, toddler, elder, old. Again, dog, deed, toddler, elder, old. And the next sound is the k sound. Now, the k sound appears in words such as key, cake, sock, school, and banquet. Key, cake, sock, school, and banquet. Now, please note in the case of the word school, school does not have the letter K in it. In fact, the CH that appears inside school has its own sounds as consonant. But remember, the CH there actually gives the K sound. That is why school has the K sound. So please do not attempt to pronounce a word based on the letters. You will probably pronounce them wrongly. Now finally, the consonant under plosives, we have G, the G sound, which you have in words such as good, ghost, rogue, hunger. Again, good, ghost, rogue, hunger. In our next video, we'll be looking at more examples of groupings of consonants. Thank you.